Good morning everyone. Today is December 25, 2024. Nandito kami ngayon sa North Carolina, America. Ayan guys, ay excited kaming makuha yung aming mga gift, makita. Kaya umaga pa lang ay nag-pictorial na kami magnanay. Actually, yung asawa ko nasa trabaho pa ng time na yan. Kami lang dalawa ng aking anak. So, nag-pictorial na kami. Pagkatapos ng pictorial, pinatanggal na ng anak ko yung suot niya. Ayaw na daw niya magsuot ng ganyang suot. So, nag-picture-picture lang ako sa kanya. Tapos, masaya ako dahil everything is successful. Yung asawa ko, hindi niya alam na meron akong gift sa kanya. Surprise gift. Spaghetti, daming sahog. Oh. Wow! Ang daming sahog. Spaghetti. Yan, ang sauce ng aking spaghetti. Merry Christmas everyone! Dahil nga hindi pa ako nakakapag-drive na mag-isa, takot pa ako mag-drive mag-isa. Kaya hindi expect ng asawa kong makakabili ako ng regalo para sa kanya. Hindi niya talaga inasahan. Yung kaibigan niya, pinagkutsaba ko. Sabi ko kung okay lang i-order mo ako sa Amazon ng ganito kasi gusto kong surpasahin yung asawa ko kasi every year na lang kasi mayroon siyang gift sa akin. Quincy like marshmallow. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy? Yummy hotdog, my tummy? Huh? Yummy hotdog, my tummy? Yeah. Look at your face. Too much eating marshmallow and hotdog. So, di ayun nga, successful yung aking surprise sa asawa ko. Tapos, hindi niya rin expect na magluluto ako ng carrot cake kasi paborit ng asawa ko yung carrot cake. Kaya pag uwi niya ng bahay, super happy niya kasi nakagawa ako ng carrot cake. It's my first time to make a carrot cake. Tapos, di ayun, pagdating niya, sabi niya, buksan ko yung one gift. Kaya yan, binubuksan ko yung one gift na yan muna. Yan, ang pinaka gusto ko dahil sabi ko, gusto ko yan kasi sobrang lamig dito. Gusto ko magkaroon ng ganyan, ng coat. Yung makapal yung mahaba. Kaya yan, binilihan niya ako ng mahabang coat. Super happy ko. Kasi Quincy, ang dami niyang gift. Galing din sa kaibigan niya, saka sa papa niya. So, super happy. Tapos yung mister ko successful. Yung gift ko sa kanya, super love it niya. Napakaganda daw. Hindi niya daw expect. So, I'm so happy and blessed. Thank you everyone for watching. And thank you Lord dahil naging memorable na sobra itong year na to. Itong Christmas year na to dahil nagkaroon ako sa kanya ng gift. It's my first time to buy him a gift. After all many years, kaya na ako nakabili sa kanya ng gift at maganda kasi mag-order sa Amazon para sa kanya. And love na love niya. Gustong gusto niya yung mga gift. Yung anak ko, madaldal na, happy na, marami siyang gift. So, happy din ako. Thank you guys for watching. Yes, nag-open na ng gift yung aking asawa. Kala niya hindi niya. I don't have gift from him. But I have some gift from him. Surprise. Hope you like it. What do you think is that, Danny? Before you open it, what do you think? I don't know. Hope you like it. Binato pa talaga sa ano. I said to Michael, can I ask a favor? Wow! You're a queen. Wow! 1, 2, 3. Surprise! You like it? Yeah, put it in your hands. My honey.
Ready?
Ready? Really? Wow, my honey's like it. I'm happy you like it. You too. Wear it. Let's see if it's fit on you. Pinagkutsaba ko talaga dyan, guys, yung kaibigan niya. Kasi siya ang mayroong access sa Amazon. Siya nakapag-order. Wala pa kasi akong access sa Amazon, kaya hindi pa ako pwedeng mag-order. Can I help you? Buti na lang, isang salita ko lang, nag-okay yung kaibigan niya. Hindi ako pinahiya. Sabi niya, very sure, walang problema. Thanks, God! Guys, dahil We slept last night. We did not open our gift. So we just woke up now and now we are opening our gift. This is my gift. This is my husband gift for me. And then my husband is surprised because he thought I don't have gift from him. I'm gonna open this one first. We'll see what is this. And he like it, my gift from him. And I think Quincy is already gonna get his gift too now to make it open it. I'm so excited. What is this? This is a second gift.
Which one you got, son?
The first gift, last night I opened it. That is the coat, the one I loved it. For winter, coat winter. And then this is the second gift for my husband. Oh, I break it now. Ah, it's a big box.
I don't know what he turned up in her.
It's a big box. What is this?
Not for wrapping, that is.
It's very good for wrapping. He can open a store for wrapping. I can open it. Okay, ta-da! Wow! Ah, what is this? It's two! Oh my god, what is this? Ah, oh no! See how you are? This is the one I want. Oh. What is this? It's earring for that here? Oh yeah, the one I
There
want!
it goes, 14 karat gold.
Oh, ito yung gusto ko. Yung pang ano sa tainga. Ikaw sa tainga.
We can take the little ones out, put the round ones in.
Wow, thank you, Daddy. I love it. Gusto ko to talaga. Matagal ko na ito gusto. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa earring ko sa gitna. And this is the third gift. Let's see, what is this? What is this, Daddy? It's a medicine. It's a medicine. What is this? What is this? It's a key. Motor key. Oh no, it's a ring.
There's two in there.
Look at that. Oh my god, Daddy. See how you are. You spoiled me too much. It's a gold ring because I told my husband I want gold. Oh no. Thank you. Wow, it's cute. It's nice. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it. Later, we're gonna take for Quincy's gift. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Sana nagustuhan nyo guys ang aking munting video. Masayang masaya ako. Thank you so much sa aking mahal na asawa. Napakaswerte ko. Thank you, Lord.